Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I wanted to just come on and do a really quick video. It's something that I've wanted to do for some time, but I've just been and ahhing about whether it's actually the right thing to do or not. But the content of my YouTube channel is going to be changing. If you've watched my most recent videos, then you will know that I've expressed the difficulty of not having a space to craft anymore, because the desk and the craft room that I used to use is now used for my business, which I do full time, and I have to prioritise that space for my business to earn the money. So unfortunately my crafting hobby side of things has had to take a back seat. But the creativity just doesn't go, does it? So I've had to find other things to do instead of the junk journaling, which requires more space, more storage, and an actual desk space, which is really important. I don't have those things at the moment. So I've been doing a lot of slow stitching, English paper piecing, quilting by hand, crochet, taught myself to knit, and I really want to get back to using this channel, but I've been torn for so long because I feel like I'm changing or letting you guys down, because I know you're all here for my junk journaling and paper crafting videos, but unfortunately I'm just not able to do that at the moment. It's not something I'm going to give up, you know. I do want to get the space to be able to do that, but it's just not something that I have at the moment. So yeah, it's kind of like an apology because I feel so bad about it, but I do want to do YouTube videos again, but I'm just not able to do them how I was. So I do understand, first of all, the viewings are going to go down. All of my old junk journal videos, everything is still going to be on the channel, so you don't need to worry about that. So you can still go back and watch them. So I do understand if you unsubscribe, but I would really like it. I know that I made a lot of friends and I really enjoyed speaking to a lot of people in the comments. So if you want to stick around, that is brilliant, and if you don't, then I do understand. But it's just something that's been weighing on me quite heavy at the moment, and I just wanted to make this short video. I'm going to put it out there and just let you guys know. So thank you for understanding. Please just go back and watch some of my old videos if you want inspiration on paper crafting and junk journaling, but I hope you guys stick around.